Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we do a little bit starting unusual and without speaking part. But anyway, this hairstyle, which I will show you very fast, easy, in romantic style like Edwardian era, even I think Ampir era, like 19th century. I'm starting with my half wet hair. My hair is naturally curly, that's how it's looking actually always if I won't be doing with it nothing. And firstly I will dry it with my hair dryer. And this hairstyle really very fast. It's taking like, I don't know, 10 minutes to do, and really amazing in travels, and if you're doing some photo shoots, or even you're going somewhere in gorgeous romantic long dress. I think this hairstyle will be best for you. Everything that you need, it's a hair dryer if your hair is wet, yeah, but it's actually you can make on the yesterday hair or like few days hair. And plus you need a special device. It's calling like, oh okay, I googled this thing like name hair straightener. Yeah, you need this for curling your hair or any other thing with what you can curl your hair. But if you're thinking what to buy a hair curler or this hair straightener, I advise you to buy hair straightener, because you can do with it straight hair, plus you can curl your hair. So it's like the device with the two goals, and I think you need to have it if you want to do some fast hairstyles without curling your hair overnight or some other stuff, and on some other long way. Yeah, what I'm doing, I separate my hair at their front, which we will curl that parts, and I'm doing very high bun. Very high bun. Yes, it can be not ideal, but anyway, try to do your best. And as you see, my hair not so long. I cut it, by the way, it's not so long ago. And to make a volume, I always doing this bun not very strict, to look it more volumed, you know. So, and I'm using bobby pins to fix it, because if you will use a ribbon or something other, it will be eat your volume, you know. So with the bobby pins you can do more volume at bun. And if I have some problems, not very beautiful laying hair at their back, just use your brush and you can fix it everything. You don't need to do again the bun, just brushing, and you can hide all their defects or something. So I have such hair straighter from Philips. While it become hot, I'm using always, don't forget to use protection before do any such things with your hair, because it's super important. And for me, as I have a blondie colored hair, it's very, very important to cover it. And while I'm waiting, I'm using a little bit hairspray to do more smooth my hair at the back. So let's start. This part I'm doing three separate curls, and yeah, first one didn't want to go good, so I just let it, and doing other ones, then we'll try to curl it again. Actually, yes, it can be that you can't do normal curls from the first time, or even not when you're doing this not the first time. It's not a problem, you just need experience, and actually it depends on the temperature of your straightener, because I noticed that if the temperature very high, you can do the curls you doing a straight. So temperature need to be not very high. Anyway, I'm using more little temperature that I can choose there to not hurt my hairs. And yeah, and doing the same at the other side, the same operations. Going again for this first one. Oh, this time is good. And that's all, actually. That's all. Just a little bit of hairspray under, and you're ready. You're super beautiful, romantic, and ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this super easy and fast tutorial. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.